Hey guys, I'm enjoying this. I love the way they look. I wish when I was younger they didn't make me take it out doing security work, but they're looking really good. I'm enjoying them. One came out. This one came out, got caught on the pillow, and Jennifer put it back in. She's a good lady and a good friend. Um, yeah. I guess I woke somebody up. Did I wake you up? Hmm? Did I wake you up? She goes, no, I just want attention. Is that it? You just want attention? Huh? You just want attention? Is that it? Do you want attention? Do you want attention? Huh? No? Either way. So, yeah, that got done. It's good. This is going bye-bye, the mustache again. It's driving me up the wall. I can't even eat normal food or drink something without getting soaking wet. So, yeah. This is going bye-bye. The mustache, not you. Alright, guys. Much kind of love. Whoop whoop.